Harmony Unleashed, the power of unity. In a bustling city, there lived a spirited young woman named Emma, who dreamed of becoming a famous singer. However, her life takes an unexpected turn when she witnesses a crime and is forced to go into hiding at a convent. As she finds herself in the midst of a group of nuns with diverse backgrounds and talents, Emma discovers the transformative power of unity, friendship, and the importance of staying true to oneself. Emma, a talented singer, witnesses a crime committed by a notorious gangster, making her a target. Fearing for her safety, the police decide to hide her in a convent under the guise of a nun. Initially resistant to the idea, Emma reluctantly agrees, hoping it would be temporary. At the convent, Emma struggles to adapt to the quiet and disciplined life led by the nuns. As she tries to keep her true identity a secret, she is confronted with the reality of their challenges and responsibilities. To her surprise, Emma discovers that the nuns have an extraordinary gift for singing, though they are hesitant to share it with the outside world. As Emma spends time with the nuns and joins their choir, she is inspired by their deep sense of sisterhood, compassion, and selflessness. She also learns that each nun has a unique talent and life story, and together they create beautiful music that brings joy to everyone around them. However, their peaceful existence is threatened when the gangster's henchmen become suspicious of the convent's activities. Emma must decide whether to run away to protect her life or stay and stand united with her newfound sisters. In a dramatic turn of events, Emma's true identity is revealed, putting the convent in danger. Despite her initial hesitation to embrace the nuns' way of life, she realizes the impact they have had on her, shaping her character and values. United with her sisters, Emma uses her musical talent to organize a grand performance that brings the entire community together, spreading a message of hope and unity. Through their joint efforts and the power of their harmonious voices, they not only manage to outsmart the gangsters but also win the hearts of the people in the city.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it educational and fun. If so, please hit the like button below to show your support. And don't forget to check out some of our other videos by clicking on the screen now. Thanks, and we look forward to bringing you more stories soon. Have a great day.